my besties, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today we've got something special for the Zombies fans. It's the classic Pick One, Kick One. And rules are simple. 2 songs will be played in 5 seconds. You must pick one and drop the other. Alrighty, ready for the hard decision? The game's starting now. First up, don't mess with us or we own the night.
Yes! Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going down. For I'm the leader, I'm the one to trust.
So let's pick one, kick one. Next up, your choice is My Year or Like the Zombies.
Do it like the zombies do, don't stop.
You must drop one out. Someday or My Own Way. Which one do you prefer? Which version of Someday is your favorite version? Someday Season 1 or Someday Season 2?
Someday, could we be something extraordinary? Someday, this could be
Call to the Wild or I'm Finally Me. Choose your fave. I'm Winning or Show the World. Take your time. Take your pick. Would you erase My Year from the movie forever? Hard to say yes, isn't it? What y'all think? Flesh and Bone or Fired Up? One must go.
It's now or never. We're in this together. We'll fight through the highs and the beginning. Ain't no mountain we can't climb. Nothing keeps us down.
What do you think of this song? I wouldn't call it trash. What about you? Comment your opinion below. Bam or Dream Come True?
And you don't have to say another word. I already heard.
What would you choose? One for All or Nothing But Love.
We about to bring it on. Watch me shake it like a pom-pom. Yeah, shake it, shake it.
We're glad to see your face. Home is what we got. Yeah, it's the people.
What would you choose? Stand or Exceptional? Zed?
I'm gonna say
exceptional Zed, and so are all my family and
Drop one, pick one, the place to be, or come on out.
you for stumbling through.
I got a hunch, you're all around us. You broke our trust.
Tough one, but you gotta choose. Legends in the making, or we got this.
Wish we could hit the beach.
Drop all our plans, just running free.
With zombies on the team, it's better than ever, better than ever.
These two are really catchy. Which one is your all-time favorite song?
And you don't have to say another word. I already heard.
This is a declaration.
Right from the start, you caught my eye. Something inside me came to life.
Too many good songs. Make sure to give us your own favorite below. My Own Way or Gotta Find Where I Belong? Which would be your personality anthem?
Everywhere I go, I don't feel like home. Even my parents, they act like.
Kerosene or Dream Come True?
I'm up high, hands to the sky, phoenix from the ashes. Show me how you fly, show me. I know that we just met, but you know me, don't know it all just yet.
Hard to drop one from these two, right? Alien Invasion or Utopia?
Now we really know that we're not alone. It's kind of scary though, but
Choose one to eliminate. Would you rather live in a utopia or live with the alien?
On another planet, look where we have now. Scout shit, crash landed.
Drop your comment below to find your future community. Fired up or possible?
Gather around, calm down and listen to me. Give me your silence, I'll give you a leg.
Which do you like better? Call to the Wild or the Place to Be?
This is how we're living our lives.
how you live.
Living our
Hey, if they offer, maybe someday we'll all be friends.
Or should I say the Daywalkers versus the Werewolves? My Own Way or I'm Finally Me? I could guess your favorite character through this one. Which exceptional Zed scene would you kick?
I believe in you, you're exceptional, and I know.
Who that's exceptional isn't. We have a spark that can change things.
Someday Season 3 or Someday Season 4? Which one are you gonna pick?
Life will say we're gonna be someday.
Someday, could we be something extraordinary?
Fired Up Season 1 or Fired Up Season 3?
We are the mighty shrimp. It's time to show you now. We got it now. We wanna lift you high. You'll never feel the ground.
Fired Up songs are always fire. Indoor BAM or outdoor BAM? Which type of person are you?
You're in zombie land. I'm in zombie land. Where is zombie?
Show you.
Guess somebody told you.
Nobody told you?
I'm about to put in work. Listen, this is.
Gotta find where I belong or Fired Up?
I just want somebody who knows me. 'Cause every now and then I admit.
Both are good, but one must go. Don't Mess With Us or Flesh and Bone?
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's going down. Everything we build is coming down.
Which one would you drop away? I'm Winning or Legend in the Making?
Zombie tongue and Seaberg's abadabaringa.
I think I make a fine president too. Thanks for the compliment.
I wanted to excel. I'm happy to announce my scientific quest is breaking new ground. Turns out college.
You're a winner or a legend? Show the world or One for All? These two are incredible, but only one can stay.
And show the world.
Show the world.
Show us.
One for all, used to be divided.
One for all. Now we're all united.
Whew! You're all done? Incredible! Comment on all your answers below and see if anyone got the same as you. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Quiz Slice so you don't miss the next Zombies video. Until next time.